Today we talk about how can you create new shots on your CC app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways then it's going to work with you. All you have to do is so you just go here, you go above this sign, you click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here you click here on your shot, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you add uh, what you want to say in this list here, your message here. If you want to add if you want to create AI message image, or write in here on translation, then here can you have call, so in here voice, so in here can you add your record your voice. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.